Hey beauties, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a video on how I dye my units jet black without messing up the lace. And I'll be using the Revlon Colorsilk and it's their darkest black. I'll be using 2 boxes. So what I did is I just went ahead, snipped the top of the tube off, the little what you call it, the little dispenser part, and then I just pour whatever is in the next bottle, in the brown bottle, into the white bottle, mix everything together to get what I want. So what I did, I mixed the mixtures together and then I put some in a bowl in which I'll use this brush and apply it to the lace portion of the unit. And yes, this unit is by me. It is a handmade unit, so you can go ahead purchase one, whatever. So what I'm doing now is I'm using the comb to comb in the product into the hair because I want to get every single strand. So I'm not going like all the way up to the lace, because as whenever this mixture is developing, when it starts to swell or whatever you call it, then it's gonna seep up close to the lace. So I'm not going all the way down, so it has room to work. And what I'm doing is just using the comb to brush it through. Because what I'm doing now is a repetitive step, I'm going to go ahead, speed through it, and you can just watch and learn. Now onto the remainder of the unit, I'm going to go ahead and use the same dye. And I love to use this dye because this joint gets super black. I mean, black. So I'm going to be putting this all over the hair, nothing special, just being extra careful around the lace, and it's also repetitive. So I'm going to skip through most of it and speed through it so you can just watch and learn, see what I did, see how careful I was around the lace, and please do the same. Here's what, I'm going to give you 2 reasons why I use the brush on the front portion. 1, so that I do not get too close to the lace when applying the dye all over the unit, and 2, so that I can work super fast. Think about buying your bundles, making your units, and then the finale, you're dyeing the hair, and as soon as you're done dyeing, the lace is all messed up. What are you gonna do? How are you gonna fix the lace when it's black dye? Just let me know. Which is better, being careful or having to fix an entire unit? That was the whole purpose of me using the brush and the bowl on the lace portion, to avoid getting the dye on the lace. So don't let all that hard work goes to waste, because it's not cute trying to fix a messed up lace. Now I'm done dyeing the unit, and I'm gonna let it sit for like an hour before washing it out. Now on to washing out the unit. I won't be using any shampoo, just conditioner. So I'm going to use 4 packs of conditioner from the container boxes, the same box that the dye came in. So I'm going to be using 4 of those to first condition it, and then use the Tresemme Moisture Rich as my last conditioner, and I'm going to place it in it for like a couple of minutes before rinsing it out. And these conditioners that came in the box, they smell so good. They leave your hair feeling soft and also smelling good. I've been using this particular dye for like a couple of years now, and I've never used another. So you can tell me if you want me to use a different jet black dye to dye a unit, and I'll definitely try it out. Now I'm going to do what I call the Tresemme Moisture Rich water bath, in which I have lukewarm water in a container, and then I add some of the Tresemme Moisture Rich conditioner to it, and then place the unit in it and let it sit for a couple of minutes before detangling and rinsing it out. And take a moment to appreciate the lace on this unit. The knots are not bleached or anything, and look at it. I'm just gonna let it dry overnight. So I love to let my unit hang dry, and this is how it looks when it's dry. And now I'm going to go on and flat iron it and ship it out to my customer. So those are all the stuff that I'll be using. So I'll be using a flat iron, a straightening comb, my basic silk oil, and I'll be using a rack tooth comb and some clips. So I'm just gonna go ahead, flatten it out, and show you the end results. I love to use the straightening comb in the lace portion of the unit so that it lays flat, so that way I'm getting like every single strand. And yeah, here you go guys, this is it. This is the final result. So if you like, please share, tell a friend, tell another friend, and don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.